मेरा नाम संजय गुप्ता। मैं आज आप लोग के लिए लेकर आया हूँ डीएनएस सर्वर इंस्टॉल कैसे करते हैं विंडोज सर्वर 2022 में। चलिए देखते हैं। सबसे पहले स्टार्ट बटन में क्लिक कीजिए और क्लिक ऑन सर्वर मैनेजर डैशबोर्ड। इट इज ओपन इट, जस्ट वेट फ्यू सेकेंड। नाउ क्लिक ऐड रोल एंड फीचर्स। दिस इज a click next. Select role based feature and based installation. Okay, click next. Select server from the server pool, so just click next. Now select DNS server roles and click add features. Okay, it is selected DNS server. Now click next. Now require extra features right now, so just click next. It is a brief of DNS server. Just read it so we can understand what is the DNS server. Just click next. Just this is restart destination if required. Just tick mark for if required, then automatically start it. Okay, just click install. Installation is going on. Just wait few minutes. It will install. Okay, just wait. Installation is going on. Just say installation succeed on Win 202. Successfully completed installation. So just close the button. Now we can verify it is a DNS server installed or not properly. Just verify. Okay, this is a through dashboard server. Now can go to the search and type DNS and click DNS. Oh, correct, it is installed successfully, but it is not configured. So we can check next video how to configuration and how to use. Okay, thank you for watching.